Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, Halloween is just around the corner, and today I've got the top 3 best Halloween projectors to help you create the ultimate spooky atmosphere. So, whether you are setting up an eerie yard display or throwing a haunted house party, these projectors will take your decorations to the next level. And guess what? All of the links to these projectors are in the description below, so you can check them out on Amazon and get ready for the hauntingly good time. So, without further delay, let's dive in. Starting with our most affordable pack, we have the Young Light Halloween LED projector. This projector is perfect if you want to add some creepy effect to your home without breaking the bank. It's super easy to set up, just plug it in, aim, and watch as it projects eerie ghosts, bats, and witches flying around. The best part of this particular projector is its water resistant, so if you are planning to set it up outdoors, rain won't ruin your spooky vibes. Plus, it has interchangeable slides for Halloween, Christmas, and more, so it's versatile for the all year to use. Next up, we have the Atmos FX Digital Decorating Kit. This projector is an awesome all-around choice for those who want to go the extra mile with their Halloween decorations. This projector comes with a variety of pre-loaded scenes, everything from creepy pumpkins to ghostly apparitions, making it feel like your house is straight out of a horror movie. What sets this projector apart from its HD quality? The animations are super crisp and detailed, perfect for projecting onto windows, walls, and even onto the translucent screen for that ultimate haunted house effect. It's great for both indoor and outdoor use, and you can even loop the videos to keep the spooky atmosphere going all night long. If you want an all in one option with high quality visuals, this is the one to beat. The last one, but not the least, we have the AAXA HP2 Halloween projector, perfect for those who want the ultimate experience. This is a premium pick and it shows. With a built-in battery and a stunning 180p resolution, this projector delivers vibrant, likewise images that are sure to impress your guests. The standout feature here is the projector's brightness, great for both dimly lit indoor spaces and larger outdoor displays. It is portable, easy to set up, and you can even load your own custom videos onto it via USB. If we talk about creating your own haunted masterpiece, you can also do that in it as well. This projector is ideal if you want to create something truly special and unforgettable this Halloween. So those are my top picks for Halloween projectors this year. So whether you are looking to add a spooky touch on a budget or go out with all an impressive display, there is something for everyone. Remember, all the links are in the description below, so you can grab your favorite on Amazon right now. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on more spooky tips and gear reviews. Until next time, happy haunting.